आलिया, रॉकी नानी के बाद दिल्ली में आपका स्वागत है। कैसा लग रहा है आपको दिल्ली आके?
दिल्ली आके तो हमेशा ही इट्स वेरी स्पेशल। दिल वालों का शहर है और हम यहाँ अपना जिगरा लेकर आए हैं पूरे जिगर के साथ टू एक्चुअली लॉन्च वन ऑफ आई थिंक मोस्ट स्पेशल सॉन्ग्स ऑफ द फिल्म। ये जो हमारा आज सॉन्ग लॉन्च है, जो हम स्पेशली दिल्ली वालों के लिए लेके आए हैं, आपके लिए लेके आए हैं। इट्स द टाइटल ट्रैक ऑफ आवर फिल्म, sung by the one and only वेदांत रायना। और ट्रूली अगर आप गाने की बोल को सुने और ये जो गाना का स्पिरिट है, इट एनकैप्सुलेट्स द फीलिंग ऑफ जिगरा। तो ये हम आपके लिए लेके आए स्पेशली।
थैंक यू।
आई सॉरी, आई हैव टेकन इट टू द सॉन्ग क्यू।
ऑलराइट वेदांत, आप दिल्ली से हैं, राइट, और मुंबई से भी है और कश्मीर से भी है, करेक्ट?
पैन इंडिया।
तो अपनी दिल्ली की स्टोरी बताइए, व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट मेमोरी विद दिल्ली?
फेवरेट एक्चुअली मेमोरीज यहाँ बहुत है, क्योंकि मैं पैदा इधर हुआ था एंड मम्मी पापा यहाँ से।
Can we raise the volume again? Can we raise the volume a little? Check. Perfect.
So मैं पैदा इधर हुआ था, मम्मी पापा इधर से और अभी भी मेरी फैमिली इधर है, मेरी मासी इधर है, नाना जी इधर है। तो मैं यहाँ पे बहुत आता हूँ और मेरी एक्चुअली चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज भी बहुत है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि मम्मी पापा आते रहते थे टू मीट देयर पेरेंट्स एंड या इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी स्पेशल प्लेस।
मैंने सुना थोड़ा बहुत पार्टी भी कर लेते हैं।
पार्टी मैंने ज़्यादा करी नहीं है, दिल्ली में नहीं।
Really? दिल्ली में भी पार्टी नहीं?
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं फैमिली के साथ आता हूँ।
Okay.
और अगर कर भी रहा तो यहाँ भी तो नहीं बोलेगा ना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में।
ये भी ठीक है।
नहीं बोल देता, लेकिन ऐसे कोई पार्टी
नहीं, एक्चुअली ऐसी लड़कियां अगर पार्टी में चले जाएंगे तो फिर क्या होगा पार्टी से? सारी लड़कियां मतलब है ना, you'll take all the attention, फिर हम जैसे बच्चे फिर कहाँ जा पाएंगे?
तो आप लोग कभी सेम पार्टी में मत जाना,
फर्स्ट सर, वेरी वार्म वेलकम, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। प्लीज अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए डायरेक्टिंग बोथ ऑफ देम।
बहुत मजा आया, मतलब फिर मैंने सिनेमेटोग्राफर को बोला शूट कर दो यार, मैं खाना खा के आता हूँ। बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं।
एक्चुअली जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, जेन्युइनली उस टाइम पे जो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगी, एक्शन था, सिचुएशन था ऐसा, बट वो फिल्म का जो इमोशनल कोर था, ये भाई बहन का जो रिश्ता है, वो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगी एंड दैट्स व्हाट स्टूड आउट टू मी द मोस्ट। ये एक्शन बस हो गया। वो पता नहीं, मैं सेट पे पहुंची एक दिन और हम क्लाइमैक्स या कुछ ऐसे कुछ सीक्वेंस शूट कर रहे थे और वासन ने बहुत कैजुअली बताया था, तो अभी यहाँ से भागना है, फिर यहाँ पे कूदना है, फिर यहाँ पे जंप करना है और यहाँ पे रोल करना है, यहाँ पे चढ़ना है। और मैंने बोला इसका कुछ मतलब तो ऐसे ये करना, हाँ ये करना है, लाइक नो रिहर्सल नथिंग, इट वाज जस्ट जो दिन में मतलब दिन पे मतलब यू वुड स्टार्ट द डे ऑफ शूट, वहाँ ही शूट होता था सब कुछ, जो भी क्रिएटिविटी सब कुछ वहाँ पे, बट ऑफ कोर्स द प्रेप वुड हैपन behind the scenes a lot between the team, the action team and Vasan sir. So I think for me it was also a surprise कि इतना क्या कुछ करना था, but genuinely जो take away है, मैं ये कहूँगी, जब आप ये action scenes भी देख रहे हो, वो एक emotional layer हमेशा आपके अंदर रहेगा, at least that's what I hope.
I mean everything about it, but it's just I didn't have the privilege to choose from anything that was there that time. This was when I hadn't even been launched yet with Archie's, and at that time this script came to me, and I only consider myself the luckiest person in the world to get this film, which was directed by Vasan sir alongside Alia, and yeah, I mean I think now is when I think you look at scripts and you decide which route to take, what resonates with you the most, but at that time it was just whatever came to me, and just went with that and I got lucky.
Awesome. And lastly, Vasan sir, since you voted in it, it's an interesting dynamic because usually you have the travel protection system. So how did this idea come about and direct these two wonderful actors?
I mean, I'd written this with my co-writer Debashish, it's his debut as a writer, wonderful guy. And how did this idea come about? It came across in a conversation with Karan. We were just discussing like what are the stories that we can explore, and this kind of came up. And he seemed really excited with it. So we went with the flow, and then one thing led to the other, and it happened. And directing them, I think I don't give too many instructions in that sense. I mean, the story is there, the scenes are written. So I mean, we kind of discuss some interpretations and then we go along with it. Alia is really instinctive. Also, she keeps her process very invisible. so that it's not a hindrance to the crew as to oh Alia aa gayi. Alia is there, sitting there only, and she's going nowhere, and she does her job. And I mean, for the superstar that she is, I mean, it's a treat for the crew. I think that's the really important thing. I mean, because being an artist, I think people get away with a lot, get by with a lot, but I don't think she takes that for granted, which is extremely special. And with Vedang, I really hope we make more films together. I really want to write more characters for him, and I really want to see him on screen in other people's vision as well, because I feel he's incredible. I mean, he's got it all. Great promise, and a welcome addition to to like a really fresh, with a really fresh energy. So really looking forward to the next decade.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Alia.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good.
I'm Manisha from India today. So I'm his eldest sister. I have a 7-year-old younger brother.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I know how protective you get when
Yeah.
you have your younger brother. Like, it's something that comes instinctively. So my question to you is like, how difficult, because you are the younger one between you and Shaheen, how difficult or easy was it for you to, like, you know, just showcase that protectiveness towards Vedang in the film, or like, was it just like easy going, or did you have to prepare for it?
Obviously nothing is easy. Every day on a film set is like, you just try to make the day. But of course we feel very grateful to be there because you love what you do. Nothing feels challenging or hard. And even if it is hard, even that is enjoyable. When you're talking about protection, I think जो protection का feeling है, if you love somebody, whether you're younger than them, older than them, or as old as them, you will want to protect them. No matter who they are, and whether it's a pet, whether it's your brother, whether it's your sister, whether it's your mother, father. And in my case, when I signed Jigra, it was just after I had Raha. So the protection was like bursting out of me. And I have to also give credit to the way the scenes are written, beautifully by Vasan and Debashish. जो character dynamics है, जो protection भी होता है, वो ऐसे नहीं कि character enters the room saying मैं तुम्हें protect करने वाला हूँ, I protect you every day. It's not that. It's an underlying energy that you just know. जो आप scene में देख रहे हो, you know कि ये बरसों से चलता आ रहा है. Character dynamic जो है, वो build किया है very consciously. तो वेदांग और मैं, हमारा first scene था, उसमें काफी वो layers थे, which we got to play with. So it's difficult sometimes for actors to get that chemistry on day one. Sometimes it takes a couple of days to get into it. But I have to give credit to the way the scene is written. Because of that scene, I think both of us flowed very naturally into this, the parts of Satya and Ankur. और बाकी आप फिल्म में देखोगे.
Thank you. One question is for Vasan sir. We know Alia as an actor, how she is, Alia as an entrepreneur, and Alia as a mother. Now we are seeing Alia as a producer. So what is like, how was she in the film as a producer?
I think as a producer, she's fiercely protective of her art. As a mother, maybe as fiercely protective of her daughter. As a producer also, this is also her daughter, the film. And she is very protective of its core. मतलब ये नहीं कि उसको 100 और 100 लेके आना है, पर ये है कि उसे खुश रहना है और उसको अपना पोटेंशियल पूरा करने का मौका देना. And that is what I think she got to the film also. So we felt really protected.
I was there yesterday, and I was just thinking about, because it's not like I've had any experience with a star as big as Alia, or anything like that, but just the way she is, just whatever she's done for me, even as basically a newcomer coming into a film, just the support that she shows publicly, personally, it really means the world. So yeah, I think this producer journey is new for you. You're killing it. Keep at it.
Mr. Bala, hi, Vaishali from NDTV.
Request you to please keep your phones on silent, everyone. Thank you.
Mr. Bala, I want to ask you, how did this story idea come about? And tell us the story behind the story idea. And my second question is to Vedang. Vedang, I want to know what are the challenges that come with this role, because this role is very, very intense and different from what you've done previously. What are the pressures that come with this role, and how did you prep for it? Thank you.
So the story idea came when we were chatting with Karan, and after Monica, I really didn't want to get into another space where someone's dead and some things happening around that. So we were chatting and we were actually talking about early Dharma films as well, and the early 90s as to there was action but there was a lot of emotion riding on it as well. And that's how it came about. And a brother-sister story excited him, which doesn't excite producers as such because love songs नहीं होंगे, प्यार के गाने होंगे पर वैसे प्यार के गाने नहीं होंगे जो promote कर पाएंगे conventionally. So then it always becomes a hindrance, but then he isn't like that. So he kind of gave me wings, and then we wrote the script, and that's how kind of it came into being. Did that answer it?